Hi guys! So in this video, I will teach you how to delete someone from your picture on iPhone. So this tutorial is fairly easy. You just need to follow me so you will not get lost. So what you need to do is to head over to your app store. So let's head over there. And once you're in there, just search for Snapseed. So let's search for it. And when you head over there, you will see a lot of options like Remini, Snapseed, and Lightroom. But what you need to choose from is this Snapseed. So let's click on that. You just need to install it, and after you install and downloaded it, just click on open right here. Oh, by the way, this is a third-party software supported by Google, so there's no any virus or bugs or whatsoever. So open it, and you will be presented by a very simple interface, just a big plus icon right here. What you need to click on is this plus icon and just select the photo that you want to use. So for me, I will select this photo right here. And once you're in there, you will see this tools in the bottom. So let's click on tools. And once you're in there, you can see a lot of options that you can choose from, but let's choose this healing. So let's click that. And what you need to do is zoom in and then select the detail that you want to delete. So for me, I will delete this man right here, and as you can see, it's been deleted. I can also delete these lines right here, and they've also been deleted, just as simple as that. So once you're done with everything, just click on the checkbox on the bottom and click on export right here in the bottom again. You can save it, or you can save a copy. So let's save a copy of this. As you can see, it has been successfully saved. This also depends on the type of picture that you want to edit. So let's open other photo. So this photo, let's open this, and let's try the healing again. And when you want to delete a part of it, like for example this part, as you can see, it becomes blurry. So actually, it depends on the type of photo that you want to edit. As you can see, it is not that good since it depends on the background itself, so in order to cover the photo that has been removed. So choose your photo wisely in order to use this. So that's it. I hope you learned a lot from this video. Make sure to like and subscribe if you love this kind of contents. Follow for more.